Alright, here we go. Short video, I'm gonna make it happen. So what I'm having is my wheel spacer here. Oh, well, here. My wheel spacer here is it's stuck on. So for guys that have them, you can see here that these nuts are what go on here. And ow, I hurt myself. The wheel stud becomes these guys. So what I've done is I took these guys off and I put it onto here, and I'll essentially use a slide hammer to try and get them off, because you can hit it, you can do whatever you want to it, and it's legit not coming off. So what I got here is a vice grip. This is from Las Vegas Tools. I'm not gonna lie, I saw this on a commercial on Power Block like a long time ago. You can see right there, Las Vegas Tools. And I put the nut onto what was a wheel stud of the spacer. If you're getting the picture of what's going on now, to pull and slide hammer the whole spacer out. So what it's gonna look like is just you doing, you know, a bunch of that stuff, and it's gonna hurt, but you're gonna get it off, and it'll eventually make its way around. And it's kind of hard to tell, but there is a small gap, as you can see there. So I'm going to keep doing that all the way around on all 5, and it eventually is going to pop off. So you can see I already got some of the gap started to get pulled out on the bottom, because it's really stuck on there. These spacers have been on here for over 2 years, and between driving to Texas and back, and snow and all kinds of weather and all kinds of crazy stuff, there you go. Now you can see what I'm doing. Ugh, that hurts. Okay, made a little bit more work. Almost there. Oh, there it goes. Almost there. Ugh. Woo! There it is. Wheel spacer done and off. Now you can take some Scotch-Brite or a cleaning pad, get any of this stuff cleaned off, so that way your wheel goes on nice and easy, because you can see all that was holding it on was just rust on the hub. There's a pretty thick hub on this one. Most cars are going to have some type of hub right here to hold the wheel, but if you do have a spacer that does not want to come off, use that method, buy that tool or something similar, and make it work. So there's that. I'll see you guys later.